Hi guys, Greg here. Well, as you can see, there is a cyclone coming, which means we're probably going to be stuck indoors for days or weeks on end due to flooding and high winds and branches down. So what do you do when you're stuck inside? Well, you go to the shops and you stock the fridge and your freezer. So today I thought, well, what sort of food would I like to stock in my freezer while there's a cyclone happening? And well, today I thought I'd stock it with some microwave chips. Now these Birdseye Golden Crunch reckon that they're like a crispy microwave chip. Well, I tell you what, I have microwaved many a chip in my life and I've never had a crispy one. No, they always turn out as soggy as the ground is outside after you get 20 inches of rain in 24 hours. So today, you know what, I thought I'd give this Golden Crunch from Birdseye chips a go to see if chips can actually be crispy after they've been microwaved. This could be a perfect cyclonic meal, so let's give it a go. So let's prepare these microwave chips and see if they do turn out crunchy. Right, so the instructions. Peel back across perforated lines. Okay, well there's an open here, so we'll do that. Right. Okay, great. Oh, that looks alright. Well, these look nice, don't they? They're nice crinkle cut chips. You're not getting too many in the box, but it's a snack size. It's a one-person portion and it's got a 4-star health rating. Does anyone even believe these health ratings anymore? No, I don't. This cost me about $1.70 or something. I can't really recall, but I know it was half price. So normal price is like $3.50-ish, which to me sounds like it. That's a lot. The instructions now say stick in the microwave. So, well, depending on the power of your microwave, mine I think's about 1,000 watts, but on here it says microwave for 3 minutes and 40 seconds, I think. I got old man eyes, I need glasses nowadays and I don't have any on. But we'll whack them in the microwave for the allotted time. Let's see if these come out crunchy. I've got a feeling they won't. Do you think they will? Leave a comment down below, let me know quickly before the time finishes. I'm guessing no, although they probably have been designed to be crunchy. But we're going to find out, aren't we? Can't wait to find out. Come on, timer, hurry up. Why do these things always seem to take so long? Can't they see that I'm in desperate need of a snack? I mean, it's pouring rain outside. And when I say rain, I mean sunshine. But it is going to be pouring rain soon, probably. Well, with 2 minutes to go, the scent coming out of there is absolutely delicious. Oh, it smells like I'm walking past a fish and chip shop. Oh, that smells good. Gee, I hope they turn out as well as they smell. I'm really looking forward to these now. You know what, I changed my mind. I'm saying that it is going to work out. I'm allowed to change my mind, right? Well, fingers crossed anyway. Okay. Gosh, why does it take so long? Why is everything? Potato chips. Well, microwave potato. Oh! There's the beeper. Oh yes, that means the potato chips should be done. Oh, I certainly hope so. Right. Okay, is the box hot? Ah, jeez! Well, it's not cold. It's been in the microwave for 3 minutes 40. Okay, well, let's take a look. Well, I tell you what, they look out, don't they? Well, that looks pretty good. So, next it says that I should season it with salt or something if I choose to, which I'm gonna. So I will add just a bit. And then on the box it says you can give it a shake. And next, it says I should open the box up and wait 2 minutes. I'm guessing that's so the chips have time to cool down and you don't burn your mouth and they don't get a lawsuit from you burning your mouth. So we'll wait a couple more minutes. I hate to wait.
Potato chips.
Alright, well, here we go. Look at these microwave chips. They actually look really good. And they almost look crunchy too, don't they? We'll soon find out. Oh. Oh boy. 4 stars? They'll be lucky to get 1 out of me. Well, there is a bit of crunch there. They're not super crunchy. They do look like witchetty grubs that you'd find out in the bush. And I'm sure if you fried one up, it'd probably be about as crunchy as this one. But, all in all, it's not too bad. Now, I mean, the amount of potato in this, like actually inside these chips, well, I can't really taste any. I can squeeze a little bit out here. They're kind of a little bit chewy as well. They're very bland. They do have some crunch. And I guess if you just did want a nice snack that were like French fry-ish, it wouldn't be a bad option to get some of these and keep them in your freezer. They're not the greatest tasting things in the world, but they're not the worst either. Now I reckon they'd probably be a good beer snack, or if you've got some whining kids who want to go and eat some fast food and you just don't feel like driving. Mate, I think that they'd probably be quite satisfied with this, especially if you picked them up on half price. They're actually quite satisfactory, and would I get these again? Well, I tell you what, I probably would. I probably would keep some in the freezer if I was into eating fried potato chips, which I'm not really, but they're not too bad. They're actually pretty good. If you had some chicken salt, whack those on this, that'd be awesome. They're bland, they're flavourless, they're chewy, and they're crunchy, but sometimes that's all you want, especially if you've got the munchies. So, would I recommend somebody going and trying some of these Golden Crunch microwave chips? Yeah, give them a go, mate. Why not? Anyway, this is the Golden Crunch microwave chips from Birdseye. Have you tried them? Did you like them? If you have, let us know down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for my next review. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review